What if there were a better way to manage your money? A way that puts you in control, helps you stretch your dollars further, and makes it easier to reach big goals, like owning a home. That's what Solos is built for. Solos is a financial platform like PayPal, Venmo, or Chime. You can pay bills, get paid, send money, and use your debit card. But unlike those apps, Solos gives you something more. A way to increase your purchasing power and turn everyday money management into long-term progress. Solos brings together people with short-term extra funds and people who need access to funds now. Some members buy and hold RED or R Plus for a few days or weeks. Others use their homes or other assets to access what they need. It's a community-based system that gives more value to everyone without using banks. RED stands for Real Estate Dollar. It's a digital dollar that increases in purchasing power over time, about 6% per year. R Plus tokens grow even more depending on how long you plan to hold them, like R9, which increases at about 9%. You can hold RED for a few days, weeks, or longer, and convert it to USD whenever you choose. No fixed term, no penalty, no interest involved. So how does this all stay liquid? Where's the movement? It comes from people managing their everyday finances through Solos, just like they already do with other apps. Members direct deposit their income, pay their bills, use the Fierce debit card for groceries, gas, and rent. But here's the difference. Every time they do, they earn Solos reward points, called SRPs. SRPs can help reduce their home down payment or even cover monthly housing costs. And because so many members are buying RED every day for rewards and savings, there's always someone ready to buy when another member wants to sell. If you're buying a home or refinancing one, Solos offers something smarter. The REDLOC, a real estate decentralized line of credit. With REDLOC, you can access up to 80% of your home's value, just like a traditional mortgage. But here's where it's better. You have a monthly minimum payment based on your home's value. That payment is offset by the SRPs you earn from using Solos to manage your money. Once you reach 50% loan to value, your minimum drops to zero, meaning you can pay as much or as little as you want when you want. And unlike traditional mortgages or HELOCs, your available credit increases automatically as your home's value goes up. No reapplying, no new paperwork, no added fees. You keep access to your full 80% LTV as long as you're part of the system. Solos works because it's built around people helping people. Members who hold RED support access to funds. Members who need funds support the system by using RED. And everyone earns more value through participation. It's not a bank and it doesn't work like Wall Street. It's a shared system designed to make every dollar go further. Solos gives you more than just another finance app. It gives you tools to manage your money, grow your purchasing power, and build toward homeownership on your terms. You already use apps to spend, save, and send money. Now use one that actually works for you. Solos, independently together. It's not banking. It's not investing. It's better.